Welcome! In this video, we'll explore how to post anonymously in Facebook groups. Stay tuned to find out the secret steps. First, ensure you're a member of the group. Only then can you post anonymously. Let's dive in. Next, open the group and locate the post options. Click on Write Something at the top. Now, click on the three dots on the right to reveal more options. This is crucial for anonymity. Select Post Anonymously from the drop-down menu. This ensures your name isn't displayed. Finally, type your message and hit Post. Enjoy the freedom of sharing discreetly. And that's it. You've learned how to post anonymously in your favorite Facebook groups. Remember, anonymity is powerful. Use it wisely and stay safe online. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching. Share this video with friends who would benefit from it. See you next time. Stay safe and express yourself without worry. Until next time, enjoy your anonymous sharing.